Amplenote versus Logseq. What is the best productivity tool? Choosing the best productivity tool between Amplenote and Logseq depends on your personal workflow needs. Amplenote is ideal for those who want a unified system that blends notes, to-dos, and calendar integration. It's great for task management, has a clean interface, and supports mobile use with cloud syncing. If you're focused on getting things done quickly with minimal setup, Amplenote is a solid choice. Logseq, on the other hand, is perfect for users who want to build personal knowledge base. It's privacy focused, works offline, and is based on bi-directional linking and outlining. It's more powerful for long-term thinking, note organization, and research, but comes with a steeper learning curve. In conclusion, go with Amplenote if you value simplicity and task-based productivity. Choose Logseq if you prefer depth customization and knowledge building.